What's up everyone and welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add accessories in Roblox Studio. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you want to add accessories in Roblox Studio, so you need to have a dummy like this. If you don't have a dummy, then don't worry. Go to Avatar and click on Rig Builder. Here you can create your own dummy. So back on the video, you can see the script right here. It's very important script. Without a script, you can't add accessories. So copy the script and paste here on a command. Go to Roblox Marketplace. Now choose any accessories you want. Let's try a Goku here. You can see this ID here. Copy and paste in Roblox Studio here, right between the brackets. And now click on enter. And now you can see the model. Click on a model and your accessories is here. Now drag the accessories to dummy. Now your accessories is successfully added. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.